met you in the morning, summertime. The skies were warm and golden, mid-July. I dove into the blue in your eyes.
Alright, so today Orec came by. They let us use or demo one of their awesome machines, the Trailblazer. So what this machine is, it can haul up to 650 pounds. It moved mulch in no time. We were able to take the front off of this machine, get into a bed, dump it, and back it up as it went, so it helped spread the mulch as we were doing it.
Close your eyes, stay the night. I keep falling by your side. Watch the tides hold me, darling. All that I wanted was you.
So it cut down on the labor from hauling the wheelbarrows, it cut down on the labor from moving the mulch, and it also just helped overall with the whole crew. Now the guys aren't going to be dead after the first job, and they're going to keep on working. And I can't wait until we have this machine and we're able to use this on patios, on walkways, on retaining walls. This thing can move over 650 pounds at once, uphill, over curbs, whatever you need it for, it can do it.
You took me to the ocean, 2 a.m. The air was cool and golden in the end. I'll hold on to the sweatshirt that you left. I'm holding on to you, yeah. All of the nights in my room were lonely, and all that I wanted was you to hold me. I lay here and talk to the moon. She told me I should never let you go.
You could tell just by the workers. The one worker hauling the wheelbarrow, he was dripping in sweat. The guy using the machine, he was having a blast, and it was also efficient. We got this job done. We're about 5 yards of mulch today, and we got it done within 35 minutes, and that was only with 4 guys.
Close your eyes, stay the night.